In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board in monday.com. We'll walk through this from the very beginning. So even if you're new to monday.com, you'll be able to follow along easily. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a private space for your work, where only specific people you invite can see and edit what's inside. First, log into your monday.com account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where your workspaces are listed. A workspace is basically a container that holds different boards related to a team, project, or area of your business. Find the workspace where you want your new private board to live. Hover over that workspace and look for a small plus icon next to it. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From those options, choose Board. This tells monday.com that you want to create a brand new board inside that workspace. After you select Board, a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you might see an option to write an AI prompt that can help you generate a board automatically. If you already know exactly what you want, or you prefer to set things up yourself, you can simply skip that part. Look for the option that says Create Board Manually and click on that. This gives you full control over the structure and details of your board. Next, you'll be asked to add a board name. Choose something clear and descriptive, like marketing strategy, private, or HR planning, confidential, so that you and your team members immediately understand its purpose. Below the name field, you'll usually see an option to select what you're managing on this board, such as tasks, projects, clients, or anything else. Pick the option that best matches how you plan to use the board. This helps monday.com suggest useful columns and layouts later on. Now comes the most important part for this tutorial. Selecting the privacy type. You'll see three options: main, private, and shareable. Main boards are visible to everyone in the workspace. Shareable boards are typically for collaborating with external guests. For this video, we want the board to be visible only to specific people you choose, so select the private option. Once you've chosen private and confirmed your other settings, click on Create Board. Give it a moment to load. When the page finishes loading, you'll see your brand new private board, ready for you to customize. From here, you can start adding groups, tasks, columns, and invite only the people who should have access. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a private board in monday.com.